say?
No, I know better.
That's fun.
Don't stop me at the state line.
When we were out at the AMAs, it was when the Ohio State was playing Michigan State.
Oh, yeah.
And we were doing the broadcast like this out there during the game. So we brought our iPad out there so we could stream the game over to the broadcast. And everyone's like, walking
Bad waiting today.
That's the score. That's the good. And then like Sheena and Maria.
See, I told you.
Her husband were like, we're USC fans. Like,
Such a powerhouse team. I love
We're alive.
Urban Meyer. Yep.
I wish he was at Mizzou, but that's what happens, right?
Oh!
3, 2, 1. It's Mix 107.9 and Andre Styles. We are live from the Grammys and at Pop Chips. By the bags and rock out with your pop chips. You like that, didn't you, David? That's a good one, right?
Oh my God, that's good.
Grab life by the bags and rock out with your pop.
I gotta get my composure together. That was solid work, Pop Chips. Solid work.
Well, David Cook, thanks for joining us. No problem. Album digital vein is out now. And we actually, this was probably a couple of months ago. We do something in the mornings we call Mix or Music. We take 2 older songs and we play back to back. And the winner comes back the next day to take a new song. And we get the votes from the listeners to write like phone calls and Twitter votes and everything else like that. We play Criminals. And what comes if a song comes 5 days in a row, it's higher music Hall of Fame. And Criminals was our first Mix Hall of Fame
Are you kidding me? What does that come with? Is that like a t-shirt?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Or a medal?
We should do that.
Come on, I'm in. Like even like a little like Little League soccer trophy or something.
The Derek Jeter gift basket. You know, like, here you go. Thanks for staying. Good luck.
I love that.
But no, your fan base on social media.
It's look, I am eternally grateful for my fans. They have been so supportive. Having a career in music, man, it's not a linear thing. It's ups and downs and everything in between. And to have the fans that I have back in Grammy, back in this music that I've been able to put out, man, that means the world. So, if you do the trophy thing, I might get it reproduced and just sit on the
That'd be great. That'd be almost like a little Grammy or something.
Yeah, absolutely. Like the little trucks out there on the best grammar. Yeah. I got you.
That's good. And seriously, my wife and I have been fans ever since your days in bed. We actually
Just don't invoice me for your phone.
No, we're good. We can write that off.
There you go.
Like,
Yeah, absolutely.
Work and everything else. Yeah. And speaking of that, you saw.
Yeah. I was actually out here this week. Primarily, I mentored a couple of contestants for Idol, and it's going to air on the 18th. I mean, it's such a
Thank you.
the group this year. They seem to get it. They all really came prepared, really put in the work. Made my job easier than it should have been. And on top of that, just to come back. It's always hard to
Just the whole show. She just loves to like, oh my God, what did they do?
such a big experience. So I'm excited for people to see it.
Did you try and do anything like kidding, but to scare them, like to mess with their minds?
There's everything that I could say to them that might shake them a little bit is probably stuff that they already know. So I just try to get them to focus in on worry about what you can control because there's so much of that idea process that you just have to control. But if you can focus on performance, presenting yourself the way that you want to be presented after the show, it's important to represent yourself accurately. If you can do those things, everything's going to figure itself out. But again, great group. I came in on the first day to mentor, and they were coming back and one of my songs that I don't think we even do. So I was just like completely fresh perspective from the game. It's such a fun experience. I'm excited. Paula Simon. I have to. But I will say, you know, being there this week, and you know, I have the opportunity, I think, to watch the judges' action. There seems to be a very sincere, you know, vibe to it. Like, I think they genuinely want these contestants to do well, and that is, you know, it's one thing to use that platform really as a motive to promote what we're doing, but to be able to earnestly try to help these kids make it through, because somebody's going to go. You know, I love seeing that. So I'm going to say original group, but I'm not mad at it.
Good answer.
Yeah, that's called right.
Yeah, right. David Cook, thank you so much for stopping by. We look forward to it coming up this week, of course. Go get a cheap. We look forward to that.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Brad, can we get a couple pics?
Absolutely.
And there's like some sun coming in this way. So
Is it going off the bald head? It's not like, yeah.